I'm doing the final assembly on my grandson's Battlebot, and he wanted a spear up on the top, so I'm putting this mounting the spear up here. Whoops. Putting in the last screws on the top, and then I got the front spinner on. Now we're gonna put the drum roller with the spikes on the back, and here's the little side brackets, and I gotta change the tip on the drill to the hex head. And let's see if we can get this first one on here. Let me see. I think that's where that goes. And let's see if I can get this started. And see if I can get the second one started. There, that's good. I'll put this one's first side on. There, then I'll spin it around. This is completely my grandson's design. He wanted the spinner on the front. He wanted the wedges. Then he wanted at first I just had the sides on it, and he wanted something to completely protect the bottom. So there's 8 wheels on the bottom, and he wanted these, so I added these side protectors, and then he wanted the drum. So I'll start that on this side over here. I guess I can turn it a little closer. Bring it a little closer for you to see it. Maybe right there. And then I'll stick this through here. And then we'll put the second support bar up. And I'll get that one here. I'll see if I can get that one started. Alright, let me see. Where's gotta go? It's gotta come way up here. Let me see if I can get him started. Right. Now, get the next one. You can kind of see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Let me see. That's wrong. Oops, the wrong one. Right here. Okay, there's that one. Okay. And there's that. Now we gotta get some. Let's see, that's all on. This is on. This is on. That's kind of just sticking there right now. Spinner. I don't want to put it too tight yet. Right there. Okay, then I gotta get one more hex nut. Maybe not. That might be out of them. Put one here. Oh, let's see where we're at here. Right there. Okay, there, that's on. Now I just gotta put the nuts on there. One. Two. Okay. pin them on. Got paint on it, so might not go. There. Never quite thought I'd be building a Battlebot, but it's really no different than building anything else, whether it's a train or a tractor, and you just gotta figure out the shapes and sizes and tires. I was gonna put 6 tires on it to begin with. I ended up putting 8. We were gonna do the final assembly together with my grandson. He said no. He said I'm too shy. He's too shy. So here I am, putting it together for him. He's a good little kid. So this is our first real project together. There, it rolls really nice. So this is just a prototype that he's taking back home. And then we're not sure what's going to happen, if they're going to make another one out of some lighter material and not quite so dangerous that it's made out of all steel. This would be deadly. It'd be deadly if they made this into RC and everything worked. So basically for right now, it's just going to be a model, the memories that we made. Let's see, can I see it? The memories we made together. He picked out the colors. He wanted a spear. We didn't know if we should have a spear on the top in case he fell on it. And the drum, we weren't sure about putting quite so many spikes in it, but he said yeah, he wanted them, so my daughter said yeah, let's do it. So here's one of my first trying to work on something kind of live, not really because we're recording it, but okay, it was signing off. See if it works. Okay, bye.